Welcome to SIP Protocol and AI Automation. Today we explore Session Initiation Protocol, SIP Communication, AI-powered voice transcription, voice-based AI responses, geographical voice samples, and automation with N8N. Learn how modern telephony integrates with artificial intelligence. SIP, or Session Initiation Protocol, is a signaling protocol for initiating, maintaining, and terminating real-time sessions. SIP handles voice, video, and messaging over IP networks. Key SIP methods include invite for call initiation, ACK for confirmation, BY for call termination, and register for user registration. SIP uses request-response model similar to HTTP. SIP messages contain headers like from, to, call ID, and contact. SIP proxies route calls between users. SIP registrars maintain user location information. SIP communication flow involves several steps. User agent client sends invite request to SIP server. Server responds with 100 trying, then 180 ringing. When user answers, server sends 200 OK response. Client sends ACK to confirm session establishment. Media session begins using RTP for audio transmission. To end call, either party sends by request. SIP also supports call transfer, forwarding, and conferencing. SIP trunks connect to PSTN for external calls. AI voice transcription converts speech to text in real time. Modern transcription uses deep learning models like Whisper or Google Speech-to-Text. Transcription can be done during live calls or on recorded audio. AI models handle multiple languages and accents. Transcription accuracy improves with clear audio and proper codecs. Real-time transcription enables live captions and call analytics. Transcribed text can be stored, analyzed, or used for search. Integration with SIP allows automatic transcription of all calls. Voice-based AI responses enable intelligent call handling. AI analyzes transcribed text to understand caller intent. Natural language processing extracts key information from conversations. AI can provide automated responses using text-to-speech synthesis. Voice AI handles common queries without human agents. Sentiment analysis detects customer emotions during calls. AI can route calls to appropriate departments based on conversation. Integration with SIP allows AI to answer, transfer, or escalate calls automatically. Geographical voice samples enhance AI accuracy for different regions. Voice models trained on regional accents improve transcription quality. Different voice samples for Indian, American, British, and other accents. AI adapts pronunciation and vocabulary based on geographical context. Regional voice models handle local dialects and slang better. Custom voice samples can be created for specific business needs. Geographical voice adaptation improves customer experience. Multi-regional support enables global call center operations. N8N automation connects SIP systems with AI services. N8N is a workflow automation platform with visual interface. Create workflows that trigger on SIP call events. Automate transcription by sending call audio to AI services. Process transcribed text with NLP and sentiment analysis. Automatically update CRM systems with call data. Send notifications and alerts based on call content. Integrate with databases, APIs, and cloud services. N8N workflows can handle complex multi-step automation tasks. Thank you. You've learned about SIP protocol, SIP communication.